What's going on, ladies and gents? Caleb McAllister here. Thank you guys for joining. I just finished installing these red seat covers that you can see in my Tacoma pickup behind me. I'm going to flip the camera around to give you a better view. It took me probably about 20 minutes to get all of these installed, and I'm very pleased with how they look. I've been wanting to install seat covers in this truck for quite a while because the old seats were honestly very uncomfortable to sit on. We're getting very worn. This is far more comfortable and looks far better. And I was honestly extremely surprised how easy it was to install. All you had to do was take these seams with round anchor discs that lock into the seams, then hooks that you simply clip to the front of the seat here, clips that hook underneath the seat in the front and back, and then similar round seam anchor discs in back or in the center section as well. Like I said, it took me about 20 minutes. They had both directions and a video that was very, very easy to follow. So check it out, guys, at the link below. You will not regret it. Lots of different options for colors and different models of vehicle, etc. Check it out, and I will see you guys next time. Have a great day, everybody.